episode, and it was a Sally Field episode that completely failed miserably. So I was on the first episode of the Chappelle Show that failed miserably back in the day. That was a Sally Field show.
Why did it fail miserably?
Because in film, when you're doing production, when you're doing skits, there's a lot of projects that fail miserably, that never make it. You know, it just doesn't make it to television. And I has happened to be on one of those episodes. So it was just...
Sally Field, what was you, drunk or something?
It's just, you ever had one of those moments, you know, I'm doing a recording a discussion and it just failed miserably. You know, things just don't always go the way we anticipated, you know, go ahead.
You like energy bars?
I don't smoke, no drink, no energy bars, no caffeine, none of that stuff.
What do you eat?
I just eat fruits.
Fruit?
And vegetables, no meat.
Just fruits and vegetables, no beans?
No rice, no bread, no meat.
No beans?
No sugar, sometimes beans.
You have beans. What kind of beans? What's so funny? What are you eating?
Yo, I'm on the Jimmy Fallon show. Yo, I'm on the freaking Jimmy Fallon show. Yo, I'm gonna blow this up on my social media. I'm gonna blow this up on Instagram. I wanna what?
Just don't tell him it's the Jimmy Falcon show, man.
I'm gonna blow up the Jimmy Fallon. I totally destroyed this episode, man. I call you Jimmy Fallon as Jimmy Fallon. Oh my god,
it's incredible. That's so cool. Let me look at some other things here. Let's see here. We talked about your website. You talked about you don't really do astrology though. That's not your thing.
I'm not into astrology now.
Is it not real? Is it because it's not real or what?
Well, I won't say it's not. It's considered soft science. Astronomy, yeah, not astrology, because astrology is based on a lot of prediction. My area is like linguistics. I like linguistics because if you study humor or comedy, humor or comedy is really predicated, the fundamental